All right, tomorrow, accused Charlie Kirk assassin Tyler Robinson returns to court. His attorneys are pushing to get the entire Utah County Attorney's Office removed from the case, arguing that a prosecutor's family member was present when Charlie Kirk was killed, creating a conflict of interest. Jessica Schreifels is an investigative reporter at the Salt Lake Tribune, has been covering this case, and she joins me now. Jessica, great to have you on the program. This is quite the motion by the defense. Walk us through the details of the defense's motion.
Right. So essentially, they filed a motion trying to disqualify the entire Utah County Attorney's Office from handling this case. And their argument is that there is a key prosecutor in the case whose adult child was at Utah Valley University when Charlie Kirk was shot. And the defense team is making the argument that this creates such a conflict of interest that, his loyalty might be more to his child and might be making decisions about how to move forward with this case with his children or his child in mind. And so to them, they're arguing that this is, such a big deal and such a conflict of interest that not only should he not be allowed to prosecute the case, but the entire county attorney's office should be banned from the case.
That is quite the leap in logic, I think. What's the prosecution's argument in response, Jessica?
So Utah County Attorney Jeff Gray has argued that there is no conflict, that they are able to prosecute the case. He's made the argument that the child in this case, they're 18 years old, they're a student at UVU, and that they, really haven't been traumatized by this. They didn't miss classes, they didn't need counseling, they weren't in line of sight of the shooting, didn't actually see it happen. And so they're arguing that the harm or the potential for conflict is so low that it doesn't really preclude them from being able to ethically prosecute the case.
You have been following this court system there in Utah for the better part of 15 years, so you know the players involved. Is there any sense on the ground from those who know this judge named Tony Graff as to how he's going to rule on this motion?
Judge Tony Graff is actually very, very new to the bench. I think when he was assigned this case, he had been took the oath to be a judge maybe like 50 days before. So he's an incredibly new judge. What I've seen so far in being in the courtroom is he's incredibly thorough and, takes the time to really articulate his rulings. He's being very careful in making sure his rulings are, written down, that there's not a lot of rulings made off the cuff here. I think everyone's trying to be careful that this case is only tried once.
Based upon the fact that, there's a chance that this judge could ultimately grant this motion. I think it's unlikely, but it could happen. How much of a delay are we looking at in terms of getting a new prosecution team in there if the judge ultimately grants this?
I think if it's granted, it would be very rare. This doesn't happen very often. This whole case is very unique in that there's so many witnesses. 3,000 people were there, and so this is just such a novel concept. It hasn't really happened before, at least that I've seen. I think what we'll see if the motion is granted, maybe the Utah Attorney General's office steps in. Maybe they find a conflict prosecutor in Salt Lake County or Davis County somewhere nearby, and that will probably take a couple weeks, maybe a couple months to kind of get those players in place, because this is a large case that takes a lot of time. And so finding a prosecuting office that can take on that load might be a challenge and could take some time.
Yeah, I think you nailed it right there. Weighing the interests in this case, and there obviously are interests on both sides, you do have to consider the burden this would place on the prosecution on the whole. If you have to remove this entire team that's been working on this case for months, that knows the details, this is going to cause a tremendous delay. And it's going to also cause everybody to have to start from the beginning. And I don't know if the court ultimately wants to do that. Jessica Schreifels, thank you for your insight on this. Very important stuff. Appreciate it.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.